In this tutorial, we'll show you how to send an SMS using YakChat. First, open YakChat and choose the inbox you want to send from. Then click the plus button to start a new message. In the To field, enter your contact's name or phone number. Above the text box, there is a drop-down menu. Make sure you select SMS and then compose your message. Keep an eye on the segment counter. It shows how many message segments your text will use as you type. Want to add some personality? Click the emoji icon and choose the emoji you'd like to include. Need a new line without sending? Press Shift plus Enter and keep typing. When you're ready, press Enter or click Send to deliver your message. You can also send a message directly from a contact. To do this, navigate to the contact list. Choose a contact and click Message. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more YakChat tips and tutorials.